Greetings from HouseLux Estate, your #1 resource for tips, tricks, and insights into the world of freelancing. Here at HouseLux Estate, our mission is to provide you with valuable content that will empower you on your freelancing journey. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned professional, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and join our community of freelancers. We are excited to explore this path with you. Today we delve into the truth about why becoming a freelancer is hard. Freelancing has seen a surge in popularity over the past decade. This phenomenon, often referred to as the freelance boom, is more than just a buzzword. It's a seismic shift in the way we work and live. In the United States alone, more than 50 million people have joined the freelance economy, contributing over $1 trillion to the national GDP. This boom can be attributed to a multitude of factors. For many, it's the allure of flexibility. The freedom to choose when, where, and how to work is a compelling proposition. Then there's the promise of independence. No boss, no office politics, just you, your skills, and the open market. But the rise of freelancing is also a response to changing economic realities. Traditional employment, with its promise of stability and benefits, is no longer a guarantee. Thus, many are turning to freelance work as a viable alternative. However, freelancing is not as easy as it may seem. Freelancing comes with its own unique set of challenges. While the freedom and flexibility it offers can be enticing, there are hurdles to navigate. Let's delve into them. One of the main challenges is the lack of job security. Unlike traditional employment, freelancing doesn't come with a guaranteed paycheck at the end of the month. Your income is directly tied to the number of projects you complete and the clients you secure. This uncertainty can indeed be daunting, particularly for those new to freelancing. Next, we have the unpredictability of income. One month you might be swimming in projects, the next, hardly afloat. This ebb and flow can make it challenging to plan finances and can lead to stress. According to a report by the Freelancers Union, 71% of freelancers struggled with income unpredictability at some point in their careers. Then, there's the challenge of finding clients. Securing a steady stream of work requires marketing skills, networking, and a strong online presence. It's not enough to be good at what you do, you have to be good at selling what you do. A survey conducted by Contently found that 54% of freelancers spend a significant portion of their time searching for new clients. There's also the issue of isolation. Freelancing often means working alone, and this can lead to feelings of loneliness and disconnect. A study by Epson found that 68% of freelancers miss the social interaction of a traditional workplace. Lastly, freelancers often wear many hats. They're their own boss, their own accountant, their own marketing manager. This can be overwhelming and time-consuming, leaving little time for the actual work. Despite these challenges, many people choose to freelance. They're drawn to the independence, the flexibility, and the ability to pursue their passion on their own terms. But it's important to note that freelancing isn't for everyone. It requires resilience, adaptability, and a whole lot of grit. These challenges make freelancing a tough career choice. But for those who are willing to face them head-on, the rewards can be well worth the struggle. The reality of freelancing is often different from the dream. Let's dive right in. When we think of freelancing, we often picture a dreamy scenario. Working from a cozy coffee shop, taking a midday break for a yoga class, or maybe even working from a beach house in Bali. The freedom and flexibility can seem too good to be true. And in some cases, it can be. In reality, freelancing is not always as glamorous as it seems. It's a path that requires self-motivation, discipline, and resilience in the face of rejection. You see, freelancing is essentially running your own business, and that comes with its own set of challenges. Firstly, you are your own boss. It sounds great, right? But it also means you are your own motivator. There's no one there to push you, to set deadlines, or to ensure you're staying on track. This requires a high level of self-discipline and organization. Procrastination can become your worst enemy if you're not careful. Secondly, there's the solitary nature of freelancing. Sure, you can work from anywhere, but often anywhere ends up being alone. It can feel isolating, as you miss out on the camaraderie and social interaction that comes with a traditional office environment. Then there's the matter of rejection. As a freelancer, you're constantly selling yourself and your skills. And no matter how talented you are, rejection is an inevitable part of the process. It's crucial to develop a thick skin and to not take it personally. Freelancing also involves a level of uncertainty. Your income can fluctuate from month to month, and there's no guarantee of work. This can lead to financial stress and requires careful budgeting and financial planning. In summary, the reality of freelancing is that it's often a solitary endeavor filled with challenges, but it's also filled with opportunities. It's a path that requires self-motivation, discipline, and the ability to handle rejection. It's not for everyone, but for those who thrive in such an environment, it can be incredibly rewarding. Freelancing requires a unique set of skills and capabilities. Despite the challenges, many freelancers thrive in their chosen careers. The path to success is not always straightforward, but it's paved with determination, resilience, and a bit of savvy strategy. Let's delve into some ways you can overcome the hurdles of freelancing. First and foremost, building a robust network is essential. In the freelance world, your network is your net worth. Connect with other freelancers, potential clients, and industry professionals. Attend events, join online communities, and don't be shy about reaching out. People are generally more than willing to share advice, opportunities, and connections. Remember, every conversation could lead to a potential collaboration or job offer. Next, diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Freelancing can be unpredictable, and having multiple sources of income can help cushion the blow of a dry spell. This could mean offering different services, selling products, or even passive income from a blog or YouTube channel. The key is to be creative and flexible, adapting to the ever-changing market needs. Staying motivated is another crucial aspect of freelancing. Without a boss looking over your shoulder, it's easy to lose focus or procrastinate. Set clear, achievable goals for yourself and reward yourself when you reach them. Keep your workspace tidy and free of distractions, and don't forget to take breaks. Even the most dedicated freelancer needs time to recharge. Finally, invest in continuous learning. The freelance landscape is constantly evolving, and so should your skills. Take courses, attend webinars, read industry blogs, and stay ahead of the curve. This not only makes you more competitive, but also keeps your work interesting and challenging. Freelancing is not a walk in the park, but it's not a climb up Mount Everest either. It's a journey with its own peaks and valleys. And like any journey, it's easier when you're prepared. With the right strategies, freelancers can successfully navigate these challenges. Freelancing is not for everyone, but for those who can handle the challenges, it can be extremely rewarding. This statement encapsulates what we've been discussing throughout this video. Navigating the freelance world is akin to traversing a labyrinth. It's a realm of freedom, flexibility, and autonomy. But it also comes with its share of hurdles. The lack of a steady income, the constant search for new clients, the need for self-discipline, the requirement to manage all aspects of a business. These are all part and parcel of the freelance life. One of the most crucial takeaways from our discussion is that freelancing is not a walk in the park, nor is it a quick route to easy money. It requires grit, determination, and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit. It's about carving out your own path, being your own boss, and taking charge of your professional destiny. To thrive as a freelancer, you must be prepared to face and overcome these challenges. You need to develop a robust work ethic, an adaptable mindset, and a knack for marketing yourself. It's about building relationships, networking effectively, and delivering high-quality work consistently. But despite the challenges, freelancing can also be incredibly fulfilling. It offers a level of freedom and flexibility that traditional employment often can't match. You have the power to choose the type of work you do, the clients you work with, and the hours you work. You get to shape your professional life according to your personal preferences and lifestyle. So, if you're contemplating the freelance route, weigh these factors carefully. Don't rush into it because it seems trendy or lucrative. Do your homework, understand the realities, and make an informed decision. And if you do choose to take the plunge, remember that perseverance is key. There will be tough times, but it's how you handle these challenges that will ultimately determine your success as a freelancer. Remember, the path to successful freelancing lies in understanding the challenges and being prepared to overcome them. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of why becoming a freelancer is hard. Here at House Lux Estate, we aim to shed light on complex issues like these, breaking them down so you can make informed decisions. If you found this content valuable, why not join our community? By subscribing, you'll have access to a wealth of knowledge right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insights into the world of freelancing.